For question 3, when you put the object in the middle of a ruler, you have to read the readings at the two edges. So this is 2.5, this is 6.5. So you just minus, right? 6.5 minus 2.5, and the answer should be 4. For this thermometer, the reading over here, now this is 20 and this is 30. Be very careful. Each division doesn't mean it is 1, you know. Okay, it's not 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Because if this is 24, then this will be 25, right? So you have to be very careful and look at the division. So 20 is here, 30 is here. That means the interval is 10 degrees Celsius. And there are altogether 5 markings. So this will be 22. So each marking will be 2 degrees Celsius. So 2, 24, and this will be 26. Over here, this is 40, and this will be 42, 44. Now, the marking here is between 40 and 42. So which means it will be 41. So again, 41 minus 26, you get 15. Just remember to check the divisions between the two markings. Question 4, you always have to look at the same level as the water level. This one, you see your eyes is tilting up, so you may end up reading a reading that is upwards this way. Okay, this is wrong, of course. So this is the correct answer. So remember, your eyes must be placed at the water level to prevent parallax error. The next part. Now, in this case, they say that this is a car journey. The teacher drive from home to school, and then this is the amount of time the teacher spends in school, and then back home again. So back home. Of course, the distance from home to school is the same as the distance from school to home. Sorry, this one should be school. Okay, so you drove 7 kilometers, and then come back, it's another 7 kilometers. So they ask you to describe the motion of a car. Now, if the question asks for motion, there are only a few possible answers. You either say that the car is at rest, constant speed, or whether it is accelerating or decelerating. So it's just one of the answers. Now, in this case, you can see that it is a straight line like this. So you will say that the car is moving with a constant speed. Uniform speed is fine too. Between B and C, it is a horizontal line. Now, every time you see a horizontal line, you will know that the distance didn't increase. So at 20 seconds, it's at 7 kilometers, and then 7, 7, 7, 7. So the car didn't move. So you either say that the car is not moving, at rest, or stationary. And they want you to calculate the total distance. Okay, so from A to B, you travel 7 kilometers away from home. From C to the end, you 7 kilometers towards home. So altogether, you travel 14 kilometers. And question 5. Now, in question 5, if you read carefully, always take note of all these things here. So this is in minutes, and this is in seconds. So in this case, you read as 1 minute, 6 seconds, right? 1 minute, 6 seconds. But since all the answers are in seconds, you have to convert minutes to seconds. So you will get 60 minutes, right? So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus another 6 seconds. So 66. C is the answer. Question 6. 5 books. The height is 20 centimeters. There you are, 20 centimeters. So one book will be 20 divided by 5. So 4 centimeters. Remember, the question asks for one of the book. Now, question 7. Question 7 shows a coconut tree. It says a coconut falls from a tree. Now, in the first place, you must know that when an object is falling from a certain height, can be on top of a tree or a building, you know, that object will actually move faster and faster as it reaches the ground. So for this coconut, it will move faster and faster and faster. So the speed here Then when you move from here, this speed will be faster than here. The speed here will be faster than here. So you will just move faster and faster. So I can say that the object is accelerating. So which graph shows acceleration? C. Many of you would have chosen A sometimes, but remember when you drop something, it doesn't travel with the same speed all the way. It will actually travel faster and faster. So it should be C as the answer. This one is actually, this shows that the speed is the same, okay, but it will actually increase.